Okay, this is Hossam here. I'll be testing an XO game made with C. These are the test cases that we're going to run. Let me start the game. So this is a very simple console game. It starts by asking player 1 for choosing his preferred symbol. So, okay, so the first test is if the player chose a wrong symbol, meaning like entering a number or some text or anything rather than X or O should output an error. So this should be case insensitive, so entering small x should pass. Okay, player 2 shouldn't be able to choose the same symbol as before, so if we try a capital X this time, it shouldn't allow me. So here input symbol is wrong or was chosen before, so I'm gonna choose O for this player, but before that I'll try to input something wrong again. Okay, so choosing an O, and we are in, so main flow tests pass. The next test cases are making the player X win in the game, so we'll start by choosing the first row for the X player. So player X turn, I choose 1, player 2, choose 5, player X choose 4, player 2 choosing 3, and player 1 I'm gonna choose 7, sorry. So here player 1 wins. This is the first case of, sorry, this is the columns. Okay, first case of columns. If we want to play again, we hit Y, so I'm gonna go with the next column for player X. So I'm just gonna fast forward. And column 2 for player X wins. Play again. Last test case for the columns for player X. Let's say I entered an 8, and then a 1, 9, so player X wins. This is the third column, so you can win by all columns. We're gonna now test all rows for player X. Oops. Okay, I'll repeat this one. Okay, first row for player X. And this one passes. Next, second row for player X. This one is okay too. Last row for player X. And we are all good here. Okay, next we're gonna be testing the diagonals. We have 2, so player X should be able to win if you have an X here, here, and here, or in 7, 5, and 3. So, first case, player 1 wins. Second case, player 1 also wins. wins. So we're done with player X winning in every test we have, rows, columns, or diagonals. We're gonna be testing now for player 2 or player O to win by all rows. So first row here. Okay, let's just repeat this one. Okay, first row for player O. Okay, second row. This one is okay too. Last test case and rows for player 2. Okay, so player O can win with all rows. Gonna be now testing for columns. So first column. Okay. Second column. Okay, this one passes. And the last column. Okay, I'll repeat this one. Last column for player O. And we're good. So all columns for player O. Now be testing the diagonals. This is the first diagonal. Second one. Okay, test pass. So player O can also win in any position. Of these cases. Okay, now we are going to test the draw cases. We mainly have 3 draw cases in tic-tac-toe. And let me grab these here. Okay, we have the island, arrow, and scorpion. So let's try making the island position. Okay, it says it's a draw. This is the island position, so this is okay. Next draw case is arrow. This one is also okay. So, in the last test case we have for this game is the scorpion position. Okay, so all tests is okay. Well, this game seems to be running correctly. Thanks for watching.